Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be pretty simple but really informative and really helpful to I think a lot of people. So I'm in partnership with DSoar hair for this video. Thank you for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can style these headband wigs. I talked to you guys about it in my last video, you know, letting you guys know how convenient and versatile they are. So I just decided to go ahead and show y'all different ways that you could wear these wigs. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and comment and let me know, you know, if you guys tried any of the ways that I show you. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, girl, because content coming on the way. With that being said, we're gonna hop right into the video. So the first way that I want to show you guys is actually how I have it right now. This is just the simplest way I believe you could wear it. I just threw on my cute little scarf that would match, you know, my outfit that I would wear with this. So yeah, this is pretty simple. Anybody I feel like can do this. Just pull your hair into a bun and just clip it on. I would show you, but I'm about to take it off anyway. You can't see anything. Yeah, so let's try the next look. Okay, so for the next look, I took off the scarf and I'm gonna put it on a different way. So I folded it into this triangle here. I'm gonna take it and lay it. Hold on, put it this way. Yeah. I'm gonna take it and lay it on my head. But I wanna keep my baby hair showing a little bit. I'm gonna ring the sides. And honestly, the way this scarf is made, I'm just gonna use it at the top and then pull it through in the back here in a second. So it can be as tight as I like. So here you have it, like all the way through. Make sure it's where I want it to be. And I'm gonna cover the band, make a knot. I'm gonna cover the band and make a knot. And I did it that way rather than tying it together because I really want this tight, because yes, this wig is secure, but having some extra security will not hurt. I think this is so cute. It's so easy. You just hop on, throw your hair in a ponytail, throw this wig on, and throw on a scarf and then some cute earrings. It makes you look like you tried harder than you did. And it's giving off a cute little bohemian vibe. Easy. Y'all better go get y'all a headband wig, okay? Don't say I'm not trying to help you. Okay, so now I'm going to flip my head over and we're going to pull this up into a cute pony. And I don't mind leaving a few pieces like out. I don't know, let me see first. Now I'm going to put this scarf back on to hide it. Make it look, you know, like our hair. And here we are. This is so cute. It looks so effortless, and I don't know if I would like it like this if it wasn't this texture, but like the curls is just giving such natural vibes, and I like how I want it to be big, so I can keep on pulling it. Yes, here's the next look. So cute. It out and just bring it to the front and twist it around and kind of like leave it like that and get a Okay, on to the next look. So for this next one, I'm gonna take these earrings out because I don't want to get them hooked onto anything, but I've taken my hair down, okay? And now I'm going to section off. That would usually be pulled where you would see stop right at the band. I'm going to pull that all out and section it off. So I'd say it goes from about here. Yeah. And section that off. We're going to kind of do like a some up, some down type of vibe. Not too far because the wig does not it's not as stable the further back on your head you go. So not too far. So I'm going to pull this all back into a tight bun to get it as small as I can back here and flat. Okay, there we go. I'm also gonna part off another small area in the area that we're gonna pull up, just because I do want to try to hide that band as much as I can. So this small strip here, I'm gonna section that off, get a clip. I'm just gonna tame my hair. That looks so silly by itself, but it's gonna be cute when we put the wig on. Okay, so for now I'm going to wrap it and get it out of my way so I don't pull any hair from my ponytail up, and I'm gonna bring this with it so that it doesn't get tangled. So now we just have the back section right here, and we're gonna add the wig to that area. So I would say this is probably my favorite way. This is so cute. Now I would, my hair, my natural hair is like 2 days old. My curls have kind of like fallen out because I've curled, or I've brushed through my hair. But my curls really would blend with this a little bit better, but it's not that bad. I think this is so cute. What we're working with, y'all. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to maybe the last one. Don't know. But yeah. Okay, you guys, and for the final look, I'm gonna bring this all together. It's the same hair I parted off for the half up, half down. I am just going to put it on. Way you can wear it is down. Just make sure you have your band covered up. And yeah, you can wear it down. It looks so full. It looks like I got me a sew-in, but I didn't. Alright, so that is the end of this video. Like I said, this is my favorite, so I went back here. I hope you guys learned a few new ways to wear this wig. I done threw in my hoops and put on some lip gloss. I feel real cute. Thank you so much to DSoar Hair for sponsoring this video. I really love this. All the descriptions on this hair will be in the box below. Yeah, so if you did enjoy, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I love y'all. I love y'all, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.